your encyclopedia. Do you know that it's really cool out here? But it's okay because today we want to talking about blizzard. I'm Dewi Rohaini. I'm not alone here because I am accompanied by my friends.
My name is Safida Arneta Kisparasika.
My name is Josie Varela.
And my name is Sira Sulistarianti.
So let's get started.
Hi everyone, make some noise if you are a fan of snow. I love to go outside, go sledding, make a snow fort, or even just take a walk when it snows. But definitely it's not a good idea to go out when the snow is falls.
You probably heard the news that there was a massive winter storm pounding at the part of Northeast, and it is also bring a lot of snow, wind, and flood as well. As I heard that many people call it as the biggest storm at this decade, and one thing everyone call it as a blizzard. When most of people hear the word blizzard, they think that is a whole bunch of snows. But in reality, that is the wind that make a storm blizzard. So, what exactly make for blizzard?
Blizzard is a severe snowstorm characterized by strong sustained winds of at least 55 km per hour and lasting for a prolonged period of time, typically 3 hours or more. A ground blizzard is a weather condition when snow is not falling but loose snow on the ground is felt and blown by strong winds. Blizzard can have an immense size and strength to hundreds or thousands of kilometers.
For your information, blizzard has two types. The first type is combination of wind and falling snow. Second type is ground blizzard. I will tell you what are needed for blizzard experiment. There are aquarium and then styrofoam. Styrofoam as the snow. The last one is fan. Fan as the winds.
Winds in a blizzard have to blow at least 55 kilometers an hour. That makes it strong enough to blow around things that are outside, like lawn furniture. Second type is ground blizzard. Result of winds picking up snow that is already on the ground. From the swirling inside, these to look identical. But the second type needs stronger winds to get it started, because snow on the ground is often bonded, and the wind has to break those bonds before the grains start moving.
Second, the visibility in a blizzard has to be pretty low. Visibility is just so far you can see. When things like fog, snow, clouds, or rain get in the way, you can't see as far, so view outside the visibility goes down.
So blizzard is the wind that makes storm, not the amount of snow that falls. When blizzard is happen, you can see very far. So you can understand why blizzard are some serious storms, right?